So I just thought I'd let you know that a couple of developments since the last video. Before the truck bed actually gets taken off, which you'll see in this particular video, I managed to score some extra fuel tanks. I'll go into why I've got extra fuel tanks and why I wanted them in another video, but I just thought I'd show you, even though my cat is vying for attention like my dogs. So I've got two of these. I'll just show you the one that I've got here. So I managed to get this here, which actually has come off a Freightliner. So it's I think it's 227 liters. So definitely 220 liters, or definitely at least a 200 liter tank. And I've got two of them with the mounting straps and all the other bits and pieces. I'm absolutely stoked about that. These things are not cheap if you ever try to buy one. So it comes with the actual in and out, the fuel lines already in there. It even comes with the sensor for the fuel level, the breather, and the filler cap. And absolutely in great condition too. And like I said, I've got two of them, which will expand my capacity from 200 liter tank, which is on the truck at the moment, to 600 liters, which will give me ample amount of fuel. There's other things I'm going to do with the tanks other than just putting diesel in them, but I'll go into that on another video. While I was there, the guy also offered me this tank, and to be honest, I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but it was such a good deal. I thought, well, I'll buy it while I'm there and while I've got the truck, because I put these on a pallet on the back of the truck and brought them home. So this is a huge tank. I think this one alone is 400 liters at least. It came off a Mercedes. I don't know if you can see the badge there, but it is huge. In comparison to the other tank, it is huge. I'm not sure. I might, I don't know, maybe I'll cut it in half and make a water tank out of it or something, but it was worth having. It's lightweight, it's aluminium, it's got no dents or damage or anything like that, and it still has the straps for that as well, which are tucked away right there. And like I said, straps for all three tanks. Yeah, absolute bargain. So that was since the last video, and yeah, so hopefully in this video you'll see how I got it off. It was quite scary when you're on your own, because I didn't know how heavy the bed was, what it was going to do, how it was going to behave with my new telescopic mechanisms that lifted the bed, and also the A-frames or the trestle tables that I made to actually hold the bed. So the video is actually quite long, but I've sped it up to save you from boredom, I guess, and to make it a little bit more interesting to watch. Anyway, enjoy the video. Before I forget, these are the straps. I found them. I put them in the shed. I don't know if you can see that, but there's one strap there. Here's the other strap with all the fittings. It's a bit dark in here and my door keeps banging, but there should be two orange ones like this one and two black ones, which is awesome. Often when you get these tanks, they just come on their own. No straps, no mechanism to hold them on. I'll have another video of how the tanks are going to go on, and that should be quite interesting. Do to make these a bit more stable. In the last video you saw me actually fabricating these and getting the telescopic lifters to work. What I had to do is to compensate for what I thought might be an issue with the weight on the bed. So I built, you saw me doing this in the video, but I had to put this bar on here, which was perfect for mounting some normal weights that you'd find in a gym. And I put those straight in there, and about 30 kilos worth, which stabilizes the whole thing. I also made these little buckles, you can see here, and welded them on, and just put normal straps all the way across to the other side, just to make it a little bit safer. And the idea is the tension that way is held by the strap, and any downward weight is compensated by the weights on this side and the weights on the other one on the other side that you can see in the distance. So there you go.